Can you see the person in the background? An excellent gentleman indeed. And I'm here with the DJI Action 3, and how do I look to you in a low level shot with light on, and especially with 80,000 lumens staring in my face. Am I a lot better, sharper, clearer, especially when I got the camera 30 centimeters from me, and now we're about, I guess, 18 inches where we normally hold our camera? There is one more test we can do, and you better believe it, I don't have to be near my light source, and you'll be surprised what LEDs can do to cameras. This is what LEDs does to cameras. Imagine when you drop the light down, and I am not even near my light, and that is what a light can do to the camera. I hope you enjoy your out of focus camera. I am with you 110%, and hope they fix the product with the newer firmware on the market. This is betaware version 1.10.00.6.29.